Welcome to Bulkify Releases module, designed to simplify release management in Jeera. Let's start with Create Releases using CSV. Instead of creating releases one by one, simply download the sample file, add your release details, and upload the CSV. With a single click on Process CSV, Bulkify can create multiple releases in bulk, saving valuable time and effort. Next is Delete Releases using CSV. If you need to clean up outdated or unnecessary releases, simply upload a CSV containing the release information, and Bulkify will remove them in bulk, eliminating repetitive manual work. Finally, let's look at Export Releases. This feature allows administrators to quickly export release data for reporting, auditing, documentation, or backup purposes. Whether you're creating, deleting, or exporting releases, Bulkify helps streamline Jeera administration and improve team productivity. Get started with Bulkify today.